Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and today we are supposed to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is integers. As you all know something regarding the integers, and we have also discussed some terms or the definition of the integers in our previous video during the summer vacations. But now again we are supposed to start the chapter from starting. So first of all we should know the definition of integers. To understand the definition of integer, first of all we should know the number line. This is the number line. The arrowheads on both the sides means there is no end, no starting point and no end point on either of the sides. In the center there will be 0. On the right hand side of 0 there will be positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. On left hand side of 0 there will be negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So the definition of the integers is the collection of all positive numbers negative numbers including 0 is called integers. Means on the number line we can see that in the center there is 0 and on either of the sides there is no limit, no end is there. We can say there is no starting point of a number line and there is no end point of a number line, but we can see clearly that on the right hand side there are positive numbers, on the left hand side there are negative numbers. So the collection or set of all these positive numbers along with negative numbers including 0 are called as integers. Now one more thing is there, as we have drawn the number line right now, so that order is the increasing order. Increasing order means any number, any two numbers are there, we are supposed to compare. The number on the left hand side will be the smaller one, number on the right hand side will be the larger one. We can take the example 5 and 6. If you want to compare 5 and 6, so 5 is on the left hand side of 6, that's why 5 is smaller than 6. At the same time if we compare -6 and -5, here again we are seeing that -6 is on the left hand side of -5, that's why -6 is smaller than -5. Here if we compare 0 and -4, so if we see 0 and -4, -4 is on the left hand side of 0, that's why -4 is smaller than 0. So using the number line or keeping the number line in our mind, we can assess that or we can compare the given integers, which one is the smaller one, which one is the larger one, or we can arrange them in the ascending order or at the same time descending order. So after this we will take some of the questions from the exercise. We will start with exercise 6.1. At the same time I told you that you should have your textbooks with you whenever you are watching the video, so you should also open the exercise 6.1, that is page number 120. exercise 6.1 and we are supposed to discuss question number 1. Write the opposite of the following. So we are supposed to start with the opposite. So first one is there, increase in weight. The opposite of increase in weight will be the decrease in weight. B, 30 kilometers north. So the side opposite to the north, that will be south. So the opposite of that will be 30 kilometers south. Next one is 80 meters west. So the opposite side of west is east. So we can say 30 meters west. Afterwards, a profit of rupees 700. The opposite will be loss, because the opposite of profit is loss. At the same time, the last one is there, 30 meters above the sea level. Above, the opposite of above is below. So we can say 30 meters below the sea level. At the same time, we can discuss some more examples. If we are calculating anything above the ground, that will be positive, or below the ground, that will be negative. If we are depositing any money in the bank, that will be considered as positive. If we are withdrawing any money from the bank, that will be considered as negative. So these are some of the examples. At the same time, we have completed question number 1. Question number 2, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. So integers can be positive or negative. So we are supposed to see an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above the ground. As I told you, now only above the ground, the quantity will be taken as positive. So how much above? That is 2000 meters. So that will be plus 2000 meters will be the answer. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meters below the sea level. A submarine is there, it used to float down water. So at what depth it is? It is 800 meters. 800 meters below sea means minus 800 meters. Now the next one, a deposit of rupees. I told you, whenever we are supposed to deposit, we are supposed to consider that positive. So that will be plus 200 rupees. Withdrawal of rupees will be negative, and here the withdrawal of rupees 700, that is supposed to be considered as minus 700. Question number 3, represent the following numbers on a number line. So number line we have already drawn here on using that number line, or you can draw the longer one. How many numbers you want, you should increase the length of the number line according to that only. So you are supposed to represent plus 5, we have already represented, minus 1, minus 6, plus 8 and minus 10. For plus 8 and minus 10, you are supposed to increase the length of the number line. At the same time, now we are supposed to discuss the next question. Next question is there, adjacent figure is a vertical number line. A vertical number line is given there where plus 8 is given, and afterwards 0 is also given in between A and H. Afterwards we are supposed to observe and locate the following point. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? So minus 8 will be below the number line. So from 0 we will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So F is at minus 8. So at this like this only you are supposed to proceed this exercise up to question number 5. I hope that you can easily solve the questions given in this exercise up to question number 5. And if you are facing any kind of problem, or if you are having any doubt, then you can message us, or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts, and at the same time you can proceed the questions easily and smoothly. So what you have to do today, you have to try the questions from question number 1 to question number 5, and after completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.